Imagine the excitement of a cargo ship filled with over 11,000 pounds of vital supplies for the International Space Station, only to face unexpected engine troubles that delay its arrival. This is exactly what happened with Northrop Grumman's Cygnus XL cargo ship, which encountered 2 premature engine shutdowns on Tuesday, leading flight controllers to pause a meticulously planned rendezvous with the space station. At this moment, the exact cause of the engine failures remains unclear, and it is uncertain when the spacecraft will be able to resume its journey to the station. Flight controllers are now tasked with troubleshooting the issue and devising an alternative plan for the necessary engine burns to facilitate the rendezvous. According to a blog post from NASA, early Tuesday morning, Cygnus XL's main engine stopped earlier than planned during 2 burns designed to raise the orbit of the spacecraft for rendezvous with the space station. All other Cygnus XL systems are performing normally. Unfortunately, no further details have been disclosed regarding the situation. The Cygnus XL was launched on Sunday from Cape Canaveral, riding atop a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. The cargo ship was successfully released from the rocket's upper stage, initiating a carefully orchestrated series of maneuvers intended to align it with the space station. In contrast to SpaceX's autonomous cargo Dragon and the Russian Progress freighters, which can dock themselves, the Cygnus is designed to be captured by the robotic arm of the space station and then brought in for berthing. This unique approach adds an extra layer of complexity to the mission. Originally, the capture of the Cygnus XL was scheduled for Wednesday morning, but that plan is now on hold as engineers work diligently to diagnose the problem and create a new rendezvous strategy. NASA has confirmed that the Cygnus XL will not reach the space station on the previously planned date of September 17th, and a revised arrival schedule is currently under consideration. In the meantime, a Progress cargo ship that launched the previous week successfully docked with the station on Saturday. The launch of the Cygnus XL was particularly significant for Northrop Grumman, especially after an earlier Cygnus vehicle was damaged during its transport from a subcontractor in Europe to Cape Canaveral. That particular spacecraft remains grounded as it awaits analysis and repairs. Sunday's launch marked the third of at least 4 missions contracted by Northrop Grumman with SpaceX, as the company continues to recover from the earlier setback while also working on developing its own new booster. This mission also marked the inaugural flight of the Cygnus XL, which has been upgraded to increase its cargo capacity. DXLL is made upgraded to increase its cargo capacity. We've been partnering with Northrop Grumman on this update, and we're excited that Northrop is ready to deliver this incredibly beneficial increase in capacity, said Dina Cantella, Deputy Manager of the Space Station Program for NASA, prior to the launch. The new Cygnus XL is approximately 1.6 meters, 5 feet longer than its predecessor, and can carry an additional 2,600 pounds of cargo. For its first mission, the XL is loaded with over 5.5 tons of essential spare parts, research materials, and supplies for the crew, including festive treats for the astronauts aboard the station. The Cygnus is packed with consumables like nitrogen, oxygen, food, and toilet parts, and it has a large number of spare parts that are required for systems like, for example, our urine processor, Cantella explained. We're stocking up on these items since we were short over the past year, and we'd like to have a good reserve for the future. Pouring. NASA funds cargo delivery missions using both Cygnus and Dragon spacecraft. To date, SpaceX has successfully completed 32 Dragon resupply missions, while Northrop Grumman has achieved 20 successful flights, excluding the current mission. It's worth noting that both companies have experienced one in-flight failure each due to launch mishaps early in the commercial resupply program. What do you think about the challenges faced by the Cygnus XL? Do you believe that the complexities of space missions are often underestimated? Share your thoughts in the comments below.